everyone. So in this video you are going to learn 5 arm balancing chair technique that will help you to improve your hand balancing posture like Bakasana, handstand, elbow stand and many more. If you follow the proper repetition, even you can take a rest, but you have to complete a full repetition. So let's get started. So the first technique is you have to come in plank position. Both the feet on the chair. The distance between your hands should be a shoulder distance. Spread your fingers nicely. Slightly you can hunch your back so that you can strengthen your core and quad and shoulder. Here you have to hold it for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds you have to do shoulder tap 10 times. Again you have to hold it for 10 seconds. You can practice this 10 repetitions, 1 set. Now the second technique is you have to come in plank position, both the feet on the chair. You have to walk near to the chair. Make sure you are making your hip, shoulder in one line and wrist in one. Again you have to walk forward. This is 1. You have to practice this 10 times and in the end you have to hold this plank position for 20 seconds and then relax. Now the third technique is you have to keep your forearm on the mat, both the feet on the chair. Now you have to walk near to the chair and then forward. You have to practice this 10 times and in the end you have to hold plank for 20 seconds and then relax. Practice this 10 repetition. Now the fourth technique is elbow on the mat, both the feet on the chair. Now here you have to turn your body to the right side, side plank to the right, 1, side plank to the left, 1, side plank to the right, 1, side plank to the left, 1. Here you have to practice this 10 reps. Now the fifth technique is we are going to practice in flow. Right, from here you have to come in plank position. I'm bringing my right foot forward. I'm lifting my heels upward. With exhalation you have to bend your elbow and then come up. Again you have to go back in plank position, left foot outwards, heels upwards, bend your elbow and slowly inhale, come up. Again you have to come in plank position. Now here you have to do shoulder tap 1, 2, 3. This is 1 round. You have to practice this 10 times. These 5 practices are very effective to improve your arm strength. Make sure you guys are not just focusing on postures that you have to achieve Bakasana, handstand. You are working on the roots. What's required in this posture? It's required arm strength. When you have good arm strength, good core strength, good quadriceps muscle strength, definitely you can master this posture. So you can add this one of the practice in your routine and you can see the actual changes in your posture. I suggest you at least one practice you guys have to add in your routine and make sure you are practicing with proper repetition. As I told you, each practices you should have to practice 10 times. Add this in your routine. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this video helps you to improve your practice. And if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe this channel. You can learn so many techniques with easy variations. And if you want to join my online regular group yoga classes you are going to improve your practice from beginner to advanced level with proper anatomy, with proper techniques and with proper support. If you are interested, message me on WhatsApp. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Namaste.